People that use fiat currency.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Right, like the point is if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat
besides it just gather value.
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Right, like the point is if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. 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 We call them poor.
All right, man, what's going on? Yes. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing well. Hey, welcome to the Peters Report. We go live here normally Monday and Friday. This last Monday was been Mardi Gras, man. So I've been a little caught up and hard to do things in the daytime during Mardi Gras, man. But that shit's over now. What's good, man? What's good? What's good? What's going on? Got Tesla's hitting some extremes, somebody said. What else we got here? I saw Dollar General's breaking out. That's kind of cool. So we'll check in on a few stocks here, man. Let me see. Hold on. Man, I got to get used to back how to run the goddamn controls. Jesus. I guess it'd help if I was logged in. All right, let's see what's up. So, this is a 30-minute chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's currently trading on spot price of $89,029. A lot of times I post my Bitcoin trades or movements. What's up, Jeff? What's up? A lot of times I'll post my Bitcoin moves on the notes, on our notes. That's the Substack, man. So if you're not on Substack, hit that QR code. Pull this up. Hit that QR code. You can go to Peters Report, staying one step ahead of the market. We're just trying to bring the newsletter to life. Trying to bring it to life, man. If the newsletter has been and will likely stay free, this just brings it to life. Hopefully makes sense of some of it. But if you click on notes, you'll see here where I'm taking this was 2 days ago, I'm taking a Bitcoin position, Bitcoin March futures contracts. I purchased 9 Bitcoins and 2 gold March contracts. I'm using the 30-minute chart for my primary trade direction. Sometimes I'll drop to a 5-minute to take profit, short-term resistance. Trying to see what the price was here. 84,444. Man. Then later we saw Bitcoin breaking out. I took those down, so 84,000, right around here. So we rode it from that up into the $90-something thousand range. And I've been kind of putting them on and taking them down, putting them on and taking them down. That's what they call motherfucking trading. Let's go. That's what they call trading, man. In and out, baby. Well, let's see. Appreciate you, man. My voice is, I've been having a hard time talking. I think some people might be happy about that. Yeah, man. We're going to trade the shit. I am the greatest Bitcoin trader in history. I believe that. Let's see. Yeah, we got everything set up, man. So looking, hopefully we don't have to take these next contracts down up until, I don't know, we get up in this 93 range. That'd be a nice $4,000 run, man. Be a nice $4,000 run. So anyway, I'm long Bitcoin here. You could do it a couple different ways. You could do it with Bitto if you want to collect some dividends. Bitto just went stage 1 here, by the way. Big fat dividend yield, by the way. Whenever we're looking at this TSI, all you guys that use TradeView, whatever the fuck it is, you don't have this indicator. You like YBTC better. Well, you'd be fucking wrong, bro. Bitto's better. Let's see. You'd be wrong, sir. Bitto's better. Doesn't have the price erosion, and it tracks the price of Bitcoin. Yep. Oh, we used a histogram here for slope. So you can see how it slopes. But what I'm looking for is the moment it goes flat. I'm looking for that flat and this curl on the TSI. I mean, when you get those two together, that's what you call confluence. There's your anchor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. Boom. That's our entry, man. Let's see. Tell Radiance what? Oh, you like it because Radiance likes it, not because I like it. Don't really give a fuck what she likes. Let's see. I know what's up, man. Bitto is better. All right. Let's see. But hey, what do I know, man? Let's go look at her live. Let's see if she's live right now. No, don't look like it. So I guess we'll just do mine. Let's look at Tree. Pull this up. Tree's up 21% right now. Been adding and slowly building this bad boy on stage ones, man. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Not selling any here. Didn't really give us much time here, but nice money flow pattern either way. Yeah, we'll see. Too soon to sell any, even though it's a big 20-something% pop. I would wait. I think price runs up into the 60 range, man. We'll see. But we need the market to keep going, or that is not going to happen. Okay. We need the overall market to turn up. We need to turn up, man. Bitto is the best. Let's see. Yeah, man. Just says Dollar General is breaking out. I wouldn't trim Tree yet. I'm not trimming it. All right, nice breakout here on Dollar General. Barron says that Dollar General is not Walmart, but buy. That's what they said. Not Walmart, but buy. Honestly, man, we're basically the same price we've been since September. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Man. Look at it. Same price. Huh? That is crazy. There we were in September. Now here we are in March. Same price. That is funny. That is funny. Same price. This is kind of what stocks do. What this allows you to do, now not for the crackhead traders, but as an investor, what this allows you to do is to build up positions over time. But yeah, it allows you let's see. That's something I was going to read you here. I lost my page. Man, now I can't find it. Yeah, it's building out a big base. But Gerald, it's taking so long. I got to go somewhere else. You want to use these long periods of time, man, to build your share size. Let's see. Somebody asked about Tesla. We track Tesla, man. Tesla's on the watch list. too soon. Too soon. We got here. TSI, man. Look at this. Still pointing down. Everything's pointing down. Down. Flat to down. Down. No, not time yet. Too soon, man. Too soon, Jordan. You got my book, Jordan? Yeah, it's too soon. Although we're hitting the 200, and that right there was almost a doji, man. Get the doji. So we need to see what we call confluence, right? Confluence. Confluence is when multiple indicators agree. So I'd wait on Tesla. If that's okay with Radiance, I'll wait on it. Let's see. Thoughts on ALB? Fair value is 225. ALB. Let's see. Bitto. I'm going to add to Bitto today. Market's closed. ALB. Huh. Pretty hardcore down sloping channel there. Hey, Jordan. Do you think I don't know what the fuck TSLL is, bro? Are you under some fucking delusion that I don't know what 2X funds are? Bro. What are you, living under a rock or something? Man. Well, good thing Jordan's here. He can let me in on the 2X funds. Mineral Ukraine played Trump signs a deal. Ugh. I don't know, man. We want to fuck around with Trump shit. Well, Jordan's trying to school me a little. Hey, Jordan. Let's see. You should go follow my charts over on Stock Charts. I'm sure you're using TradeView. But go follow me over on Stock Charts. It's called Money Flow Trade Ideas. But if you look right here, 2X stock ETFs, click View All. You got Apple, right? What else we got? That's a couple different apples. I like Apple here. Oh, look, we got the triple levered silver. Where's he at? We got triple levered silver. Do you know about that, Jordan? Do you know about the 4X S&P? What about the 3X oil? Come on, man, tell me something I don't fucking know, bro. Is there anything you know I don't know? AIBU, this is a Direxion's daily AI 2X fund. Speaking of AI, I posted this earlier. I don't know about this ALB. Yeah, it's a stage one. It's set up chart-wise. I'm just sick of Trump talking already, man. All they do is make up shit, dude. So if you come over to my charts, let's pull it up in my chart. I think I marked it up. We sent out a new trade of the week yesterday. Or was it last night? Was it last night, Jess? As you know, my favorite coin is Bitcoin Cash. It was up 20-something% yesterday for the big comeback. Now look at this right here. Look at right here. That's called motherfucking doji. And that doji is right at its previous low, holding this stage one. That was our signal. If you go check my notes, I'm pretty positive I had it on the notes. Let's see. Pretty positive I did. Oh, this was a good move here. Calling an audible here. I'm seeing confluence building on two of my favorite coins, buying XRP and BCH. That was 6 days ago. Damn. 6 days ago. Hold on. So 6 days ago, huh? One, two, 3, 4, 5. Boom! Damn. Man, that's almost $100 a coin. Nice. Man, let me tell you about crypto. Man, fuck the White House, fuck Trump, and fuck their crypto talk. That's what I say. Give a fuck, man. It ain't about Trump. I'm just sick of these motherfuckers talking about crypto. Fucking sick of it, man. Don't give a fuck what Trump says about crypto. He don't know shit about crypto. He don't know shit about Bitcoin. One minute he likes it, next minute they're all just talking out their ass, man. I literally pay no attention to them. Don't actually give a fuck. And my belief in Bitcoin and crypto has nothing to do with Trump or the next president or the last shitty president we had. Don't give a fuck at all what the government is doing with crypto. I buy stage ones and we trim it, man. So I can't express fuck them and fuck their speech anymore. It's a complete waste of fucking time. You should be reading my book or taking my other course instead of watching that dumb shit. That's what I think about. It's fucking gross. That's what I think. Now Trump is the crypto savior. Man, fuck that. Fuck everybody that buys into that bullshit. Fuck out of here. They're going to make you net, man. Get out of here. Stop. Just babbling. They're just babbling, dude. Back to the charts. Let's see. Fucking gross, man. I'm sick of it. You got people that know about that. They don't know about how to fucking trade. That's what you need to learn. Not what Trump's doing, but how to fucking trade. That's what you need to learn. Let's see. Beautiful stage one setting up right. No, that's the 30-minute chart. Buying futures contracts. Put those on earlier. Picked up 10 Bitcoins. Ain't got shit to do with them. I'm just following the charts. Let's see. And we're getting back into what was this giant channel we had going on. We had this giant channel going on. What's up, Nee? Yes. Sonia, thank you. Favorite? Let's see. Talked about change. What do you think about Meta? Man, fuck Meta. That's what I think about it. But we'll look at the chart anyway. Man. let's look at it anyway. It's a stage 4, bro. Don't buy it yet. Everything's pointing down, man. I hope you didn't add to it yet. Don't add to that yet. It's going straight down, bro. If you did, and you have my book, send it back. Send it back, man. Give me my book back. You didn't read it. Let's see. All right, we got Meta. We saw what happened with Tree. I'm not trimming any Tree. We got these stocks are going to keep going down as long as the Qs are going down. Notice the chart pattern is exactly the same. It might hold right around here, around this 200. But right now, everything's pointing straight down, man. Boom, open, straight down. Yeah, BCH is doing well, man. I'm pissed. I bought Bitcoin contracts, futures contract. I was gonna buy Bitcoin Cash, and last time I did, Bitcoin was the runner. Bitcoin Cash dragged, so I went with Bitcoin, and then fucking Bitcoin Cash exploded. So I think I made about $500 trading it yesterday. It probably would have been a lot more if I bought Bitcoin Cash. Scott says he texted me the GBX chart. Maybe somebody else wants to text me. Let's see. Let's see. Huh. Sorry, I was reading something here. Yeah, air is our trade of the week. You know, I got an ongoing, it's basically like an ongoing swing trading course. Every week we put out our trade of the week. Yes, 4 is a stage 4. Very observant. Boom. That's my text number. Yeah, I don't think Microsoft's going to get it going, man, until we see the Qs hold here. So the Qs are part of what we call the wind, you know. So what, if you have stock charts, come over here, right, you'll see I have packs set up. And we can just flip through and view them all. Now, if you notice on Bitcoin, we basically have this channel. It's a sloping down channel that's going on here. I need to redraw this. But if we're getting back up into this level, that's pretty good, man. We'll see. They tried to break it. You see that? You can just put a ruler down there. It tried to break it and couldn't. We'll see how it does, man. Copper. Oh, copper breaking out again. Goddamn. Gold right here. Here's gold. I've got some futures contracts on gold right now. Now, this is the continuous contract. But look at this beautiful run here. Huh. Look at this. See where I said target zone? That target zone, that's for short sellers, man. That's for short sellers. Air came back nicely today. Yeah, I tried to sell off, huh? I think Air's going to hold, man. Air's had some pretty good money flow patterns in the past. Let me see here. Boom. If you go to the dashboard on stock charts and you look to your left, you'll see, if you look to your left, you'll see it says public chart list. You click that and you come over here. Man, we're number 3, man. Number 3. What's up, Major? We are number 3. Anyway, if you get on my list, you see my charts, all I ask is that you vote. You vote. And some of you aren't voting. I wish you'd show me who it was. Anyway, if you're on my list, it's free to get on the list. But, man, goddamn, vote. Do something, man. Let's see. Bonds broke the 200-day and then dropped back down. Stopped right at the 20. We'll see how it does. The problem is, here it is. We got lower highs and lower lows. So that's kind of the definition of a downtrend, right? What's up, Ness? He says, Educated Money Flow Trade Society, tell them not to be a little bit and vote. We call them poor. Right. GOF, if you're in the second income stream, I hope you're not scared. But Gerald, the market went down. What are we going to do? That's some people freaking out, man. It's called stage 4 decline, dude. Relax. Relax. You're going to have them. It's called the 4 stages of price movement, man. That's what prices do. They go through the 4 stages. They're supposed to go down. So QQQ's in that stage 4 decline. Look at those right, dude. Look at the top here. Those are dojis right there. We had dojis at the previous high. Man. Dojis at the previous high. If you go to the petersreport.com, newsletter's a little late this week, man. Like, well, didn't stay caught up between getting sick and the Mardi Gras and fuck me, and now my voice is killing me. What am I going to do? You may have to learn sign language so I can do my lives in sign language. You're right, Tim. You might not be looking at charts every day, man. Some people don't. Some people lose interest. Death, the 4 Ds, death, divorce, disease, disinterest. That's the 4 things they're going to get you, not double Ds, the 4 Ds. Stage 4 decline is pretty common. The market can't go up unless it first goes down. So we got to get some money out. We got to kind of deleverage, and that'll give us the momentum to go back up. I know it sounds counterproductive, but that is just the way it works, man. It really is. I don't know why. Yeah, I expect the Qs will hold right around in here. We'll see. Come on. Oh, not my thing. Same thing, S&P prices top right. Oh, I need to update this. They couldn't break it there, so we're back down. So yeah, I like this here. Stopped here before. And we're on the 200. Still room for it to come down. I need to update this chart, huh? Just checking the wind here. We kind of had a doji yesterday on oil. I thought that was going to turn us around, but it did not. So pretty much everything is headed down. Yeah, XLE put in a doji day yesterday. I didn't notice if other oil companies did the same. Listen. Oh yeah. Look at this. It's a little soon yet, man. We really want to see this right here, but over here. And you see how the TSI, oh man, I'm sorry. I'm over here talking away, man. Let me start this up. Right here, that turn, that's what we need to see here. And then we got the TSI going sideways here. We need to see this here, like this. I like this area though, man. Stop, 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 stop. I mean, that's an area, man. Should be up there now, man. That was XLE. And it's below the 200. Man, come on, man. That's a no-brainer. Let's see if is Exxon doing the same. Yeah, look at this. All that support right there. You guys aren't seeing the chart, huh? I don't know. It could be my internet connection. I need to hire an IT guy. What the fuck's an IT guy know about fucking YouTube? Yeah, I don't know what to say if it's not showing you my screen, man. Let me see. Try it. Let's see. I don't hire anybody, by the way. People do it free and then we make money.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value. We call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right? Like, the point is, if you have the superior...
Okay. So Exxon here, we kind of saw the same activity. I like that XLE chart though. And if you're trading on margin, that's pretty, probably a 30% margin. Be careful. The histogram, see how it's turned right there? Bam. Easily goes back up here. Yeah, that's actually the best way is look at the chart while I'm talking about it. You could actually do it audio, man. I've tried that. A lot of people don't get it, but I've done audios where it's just audio and I'm talking about the chart. And if you're looking at it, you can do it. It's kind of cool. I like it. But some people are fucking lazy. You got to spoon feed them like little babies. Just stick it right in their mouth. The very definition of an uptrend, my friends, the very definition of an uptrend, let me check Chevron. Okay, Chevron's a nice little bump. Let's check MO. Nice little uptrend going here. Okay, let's check Dow. Man. The very definition of an uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. Tells us that the best opportunities for profit in an uptrend come from trading in the direction of the trend. After all, it's no more than simple math. The sum of the rallies will always be greater than the sum of the declines. Primary uptrend. But what we see here is what? Just a big, giant fucking downtrend, That's all we see. Just a big, giant downtrend. And that is unfortunate. So, oil may be our play here. I think oil's setting up. I think gold's setting up. Hopefully we see Bitcoin run tonight. I'm doing some trading on the 30-minute chart. I'm using Coinbase's futures platform. It is super easy to do. It really is, unless you're just too fucking lazy to bother, okay? Then it's going to be difficult for you. But I don't want to read or learn new things, Gerald. It hurts. Okay. Said the 30-year-old to the 55-year-old. We got a doji. Right there's our anchor point. Here's our stage 1 trigger. On a 30-minute chart, I'm going to be watching this RSI. I'm going to take it down. And I'm not even sharing it. God damn it. So here's Bitcoin on the 30-minute chart. Let me take these back down. Listen up, 30-year-olds. Go to Coinbase and sign up for futures contracts. Then you can take your trading skills And you can leverage them. You can trade Bitcoin leveraged. I know it's going to be inconvenient for a little while because you don't understand futures contract. Boo fucking who? Nobody cares. Because if you don't do it, it's as if you're too stupid to do it, even though you're not. But it's the same thing because you're not doing it, which means you're the same as the people that are too stupid to do it. You're just choosing not to do it. Like reading. If you don't read, what's the difference between that and a man who can't read? Not much. So here's our doji. Here's our anchor point. Here's our stage one entry. Now, you gotta hear this. Some of you guys didn't even like stocks when I met you. So you got into stocks, right? And you didn't like margin. We started doing margin things. Well, if I asked you guys what the fuck you want to do, you're probably not doing any of this. You're not doing stocks. You're not doing. So sometimes you got to do shit you don't want to do, right? Like go get a goddamn futures contract with Coinbase. It's pretty easy. But it hurts, Gerald. I don't want to do anything new. Why wouldn't you keep buying Ulta? But it's going down, Gerald. Is it going down? Is Ulta going down? Are you? It's never going to be red on your screen. I mean, it looks like it's going down with the market, man. Right? I mean, look. It went down, right? Right here. Look, here's Ulta. It went down. Here's the doji, and then it went down. Okay? Here's the NASDAQ. There's a doji, and then it went down. Ulti, doji, went down. NASDAQ, doji, went down. Man, I'm not even sharing. Hold on. Now watch this. Jesus. This NASDAQ, doji, went down. Right? Ulti, doji, went down. I'm not understanding the problem, bro. I don't know why you wouldn't buy it, man. But that's up to you. A reverse split, what happens? Easy. On a reverse split, they take $4 for 4 quarters. Is the screen blank again? I don't know what's going on here, man. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Let's see. Could be my internet. How about now? They're going to take your 4 quarters or your 4 shares, and they're going to give you $1. And $1 is still $1, except now instead of having 4 shares, you've got 1. That's all they're going to do. Yeah. So we've had other ones do reverse splits. That's cool. I would keep it. personally, but whatever. If that's in the second income stream, I would keep it, man. Let's see. Yeah, man, everything's coming down. Utilities. I don't know. Fuck it. Maybe sell everything and run. The end. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine. Had this one in the newsletter for a minute. Easy B&B trade. Kind of an expensive stock. Yeah, I might go add up and see how much you've received in dividends from ULT. And it's not going to be red on your green on your screen, man. It's never going to be green. The dividends are too fucking big. Just like AG&C, and unless you bought it just right, it ain't going to be red or green. I mean, I need more money. I'm down big, and I'm broke. Made these discounts. I don't know what you consider big, man. Some people think a couple grand. You're down big in ULT. I mean, have you looked and added the dividends they've paid you? Oh wow, Tim Sheepy, you should check. Wow. Hey, I guess Jeff has problem with man. Jeff's talking shit. Hey Jeff, you should go fuck yourself. How about that, bro? How about go fuck yourself? Goddamn, you get a motivated student. This motherfucker's got to pipe in. Goddamn. Change your picture to a sheep, man. Wow. Gotta fucking say something, don't you? Hey, asshole, say something nice. How about that? Say something nice. Let's see. I do like the silver setup here. And I think we can see us run. Oh, sheep. Man. Huh. I guess we're going to do this every live now. Here we go. Gerald, what do you think about BTC leading into tomorrow's White House meeting? Don't give a fuck about the White House meeting at all. Fuck the White House, Trump, and the last president, and the next president. Fuck all of them. Don't really care about that meeting at all. So there, that's how I feel about it. Now, I'm long Bitcoin futures contracts because of the way the money flow feels about it. And the money flow is the stage one, my friend. And I've been buying them. I've been buying futures contracts. You would know this if you could fucking read. So if you'd go over here to my Substack and in the notes, there, I've been posting my Bitcoin trades. That's what I think, sir. You should read my Substack. That's what I think. Yeah, I really don't give two shits about the White House or their fucking dumbass opinion on, dude, they don't know shit about Bitcoin. The number of people that are into crypto now because of the fucking government or the president is fucking gross. Makes me want to get out of Bitcoin. These same motherfuckers are going to quit doing it as soon as it doesn't work. The number of people I had wanting to buy Bitcoin at 100,000 and then we're selling it when it fell down to 86. It's too hard to it hurts my head. Blake says too many grunt people in this world that hate life and try to bring down others. It costs nothing to be nice. That is very true. But if you noticed, all the heckling started when I fired the moderators. I don't know if you guys noticed that. We haven't had no heckling for a long time. Fired the moderators, and now we got that. Man. Everybody likes to hate on GP. But he didn't agree with my ideas. I think I should be able to speak my mind. Okay, go start a fucking Discord. Speak your mind. In this one, it's a dictatorship. We only speak the money flow, baby. Yeah, I like the Bitcoin trade here. Did the 2x Bitcoin do the same? Yeah, man. See, I'm buying Bitcoin. I don't even care about the White House thing. Sir, how do you have time to even listen to that shit? You ain't even finished my course and you're listening to that shit. Seriously, how do you listen to that fucking babble and you ain't finished my course yet? It's fucking gross. It's gross, man. It's gross. Okay, let's see. That's the BITX. This is the 2 times leveraged Bitcoin. This is what I kind of recommend to people when they say, oh, I feel like I missed Bitcoin. Okay, well, on the next pullback, buy the 2X. Let's go, baby. Where's old Jeff? Hey, Jeff, man, he's probably that's probably look, it's probably a fake name, man. Jeff's one of the moderators, probably. Gerald doesn't let me speak my mind. I want a free speech zone. Don't care. Let's see. Man, that's about it, man. That's about all I got. Had a really nice trade with this race. Look, it's right there, top on a doji, man. Look how it stopped right on a doji. That is just amazing. This was one of the trades of the week. A lot of people slept on this one. Made some nice money on that. Boom. Almost a 100-point move. Let's look at XRP and then I'll get out of here. Ain't much going on. And sorry I've been a little quiet. Been dealing with sickness and then trying to do Mardi Gras with the family. Now I'm having voice. It's just one thing after another. I'm being heckled fucking left and right. Strange coincidence, though. Every time I make people mad, I get heckled, man. What's up with that? You can just come on the live with me. You ain't got to heckle me and just voice your opinion, man. We can do it here, not in Discord. Yeah, Richard, I appreciate yours too, bro. Bro, I think I owe you a fucking call from back in the day, don't I? Let's see. Yeah, Chris, thank you, man. Appreciate you. Keep an eye on oil, man. I think oil's our play here. I mean, everything's our play. Honestly, everything's pulling back. So keep an eye on that. Also, watch what didn't pull back that much. Sometimes those ones that didn't pull back are going to be the leaders, you know? It looks like crypto's turning. If crypto turns up, man, you're going to see the NASDAQ follow. That Bitcoin is just right now, Bitcoin is just a leveraged tech play. Man, check this out. I got a post on it. My man in is real too, man. One of our people in MFG, who's a jeweler, hate that motherfucker, man. It's pretty, man. I got a pocket of 20s. I'm going to tell you this, and then I get out of here. I had a pocket of 20s with it. And anybody that said, man, I like that, or, you know, the bartenders that noticed it first and said something, I just handed them 20s. 2 days. Nobody said anything. And then paint brushes. Hell yeah, you working on a house, my friend? Yeah. And then a tourist saw it and goes, man, I like that. I gave her $20. And my friend was a bartender, and he goes, what? And I said, yeah, man, I've been handing out 20s. Anybody said something? Why didn't you say something? And he goes, man, you're always wearing that shit. I didn't even think about it. The white Gucci Mane. I don't know what to say, man. Painting doors, bro. All right. I'm almost too old to be doing that, man. I used to miss it. I don't miss it so much anymore. Man. How many houses you up to, man? 2 or 3, right? I appreciate you too, bro. My man here's invested in properties. I know you're up to a few. Hey, if you're in Discord, I posted a picture or a video, aerial video of my beach condo in Panama City Beach. The best video footage I've seen. Mine is in the middle building facing the ocean. So when you see the drone come by, I think you'll see why I bought it. When I bought it, it was still fucked up and they were working on it. Thank you, Jess. I appreciate you. Margin or painting trim? It's my painting trim, bro. Painting trim. All right, that's right. Yeah, bro. I remember now. That's cool, man. Let's see. Oil's gonna break much lower unless they blow something up in Saudi. Get busy living. Okay. Might be the oracle of oil. We will see, bro. I just followed the motherfucking money flow, and that's it. Not noise. Noise. That's all. That's all I know is to follow the money flow. I never read something and then say, you know what? I think I'll go against the money flow. I'll read something and go, maybe this stage 1 ain't gonna work, and then I wait to see. But I never take fundamentals or anything else, because here's why. Here's why. People in the know will start to buy when the fundamentals are bad. That's just the way it works. And when you buy it, it always is the wrong time. And then all of a sudden it's not. But by then you missed the move. Hey, bro, you know what's up? You know where I live. You've been to my house, man. Anytime you're in here, I know you don't live too far away. Come on down, bro. I'll be here for a little while anyway. Thinking about going to the beach, but it's fixing to be spring break. So yeah, come on down, Rich, man. Love to talk to you. We'll grab a beer. Anybody else, if you're in the New Orleans area, hit me up, man. I may or may not do it, but I definitely will for Rich. We know each other. Come on down, man. I'm gonna keep an eye on oil. The oil oracle might be right. You never know. We'll see what happens. But I like it here, man. I like it here. You guys be good. Let's go out with a little. Hit the QR code, man. If you're not on my Substack, been getting a lot of good feedback about it, and we put a lot of work into it. I think most of you probably know that.
At some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value. We call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay?
Right? Like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more.